Hello, Sir Jeroel. Kumusta po? Redman Toys Raymond here. So, ito sir, unboxing and testing tayo sir ng unit na order nyo. The Umarex Glock 17 Gen 5 version 2 by Vegaforce Company of Taiwan. Okay. So, version 2 is yung standard version. Okay, yung normal version. Kasi yung version 1, yun yung walang front serration. Lahat kasi ngayon, nang nire-release ni Glock, okay, so pinag-usapan natin tunay na, is meron ng front serration, front and rear. So, finish out na rin ni Vegaforce yung walang front serration. Lahat, meron ng front serration. Okay, so same na siya sa tunay na barel. Okay, kaya tinawag ko lang siyang version 2. Yun lang yun. Okay, so kasi meron version 1 eh. Okay. So, ito yung Gen 5. Yan. Alright. So, meron magazine. So, meron version 1, version 2. Okay. So, yan. Always remember to keep your trigger finger out until you are going to pull the trigger. Okay. And make sure that the muzzle is always pointed at a safe direction. Okay. So, testingin ko lang. Okay? So, ito yung magazine. Lagyan natin ng gas, saka bala. Lagyan muna natin ng bala. So, ilan ba to? Mga 8 pieces yata to eh. Hindi, kulang. Ano lang to, 7. So, gawin natin 8. And, tapos, lagyan natin ng gas. Okay. Okay. So, okay naman siya. Wala siyang singaw. Alright. So, to FPS test natin. And FPS, blowback test. Tapos, accuracy test. Okay. So, medyo mahirap yung sa accuracy test kasi maliit na lang yung target eh. Alright. So, yan sir. Inserting the magazine. Teka lang. May check lang ako. Okay. Dito sa yung sa GHK kasi medyo maalog. Maluwag. Ito, medyo mas eksakto. Okay. Alright. So, ito. Firing. Ito, ang lakas na ito. 369.9. Malakas ba? Nakalimutan ko na eh. Kasi alam ko, mahina eh. Oo. 360. Alam ko parang 330 lang yata dapat, di ba? Weird. Anyway, 346.6. And fourth shot is 341.3. Okay? So, the FPS and the blowback test is perfect. So, ngayon, let's proceed to the accuracy test. The distance to the target is 2.3 meters. And the target size is the size of a 20 peso coin. Okay? So, ibibigay ko sa'yo is the second sa, kumbaga ano siya eh, kasi wala na space yung mga 2 inches eh. So, sa picture, natuturo ko na lang yung arrow. So, basta second siya from the left. From the top, first on the left. Okay, so para first on the left, second from the top. Okay, so yun yung tatargeting ko. Okay, tingnan natin kung pasok ba. Uy! 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 So, mas accurate pala to. Okay, mas accurate pala to kasi parang alam ko dati, yung version 1 o yung walang front serration, medyo malaki yung grouping. Ito, talagang gitna eh. Ano ba yun? Mas accurate ba to? Parang eh. Ewan ko basta alam mo, makikita mo, send ko sa yung picture. Lahat po, may yung size natin, target natin, 20 peso coin na lang 2.3 meters away, tinatamaan natin 20 pesos. Okay, so ayan sir, removing the magazine kasi nag-open yung slide. Wala na bala. Pull back, release, hammer down. Okay? So, ayun, Sir Jeroel, next video is for the testing of the GNG MGCR 556 10 inches Airsoft Gas Blowback Rifle.